Hi, today I've read of your Realme 10 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see the sound mode section, and just to switch ringing mode to the silent one, you should select the sound mode section and switch it just by select one from these available modes. When the silent mode is activated, we can see that our ringtones and notifications, they are muted. So when we'll turn off the silent mode to the ring one, they will ring. Also, we have one more way how we can activate and turn off the silent mode. First, open the notification panel shortcuts. After that, here you'll see the ring icon. Just click twice to this icon and now we'll switch successfully to the silent mode. If you want to turn off the silent mode, switch it to the ring one. Also, you get one more way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button. You will see here this bell icon. Click once on the bell icon and now silent mode is activated. So our rings and notifications, they will be muted. Just to turn it off, click on the first bell icon and switch now successfully to the regular one. So this means that the silent mode successfully turned off. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.